Hey everyone, I'm Daniel. One of the things we believe at Planhat is that you shouldn't have to choose between having a place where you have all of your data from disparate systems and sources and having ability to take action on that data in the same place in a unified manner. And one of the cases where this becomes relevant is in terms of email communications. So typically what gets separated is the place where you have all of your sequences, which is something you can build out in Planhat, like you would do in an email automation tool, and the place where you have all of your data about your contacts. In Planhat, you have both at the same place. And I'll quickly show how we can drill down into our end users and send out and put them into an email sequence. So let's say I want to combine a couple of different system filters here. So one of them might be that, hey, we want to look at disengaged users who haven't been downloading any reports from our tool, which is a kind of usage data that matters to us. Let's say I also want to see which ones had low MPS in the last round, which I would define as lower than 3. And then finally, because we work very closely with advocates, I want to bring in only those ones. And here very quickly, in a few seconds, we got to a data set where we can take anything from a send email action to sending an NPS survey to actually immediately just applying one of the sequences that I showed that we built up separately. And they will now become auto-scheduled using merge tags, using email templates that we brought out. But it's also very easy to keep following up on this. So we're going to call this disengaged contacts in motion. I'll save down this page. I'll put it next to my work so I can very easily follow up. And this is where it typically breaks down in a lot of other tools, but we think that you shouldn't have to choose between having both the data and the action and the follow-up unified inside Planhat.